How to unlock iPhone using voice command. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Within the Accessibility menu, scroll down and tap on Voice Control. On this page, first, ensure the toggle switch for voice control at the top is turned on. When this is turned on, you can wake up your phone and then type in the password just by using your voice. Alternatively, go to Commands. In the Commands menu, tap on Create New Command at the very top. Here, you can enter a unique phrase for the command. Then, tap on Action and select Run Custom Gesture. Now, tap or swipe to create a custom gesture that matches your passcode. The sequence of gestures will be replayed with the recorded timing and locations. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. Back on the New Command page, tap Save again to finalize your new command. Following these steps, you can easily unlock your iPhone using a voice command.